Hope you enjoy watching Discover Joy.
I'm making this Miffy as a present. It's going to be a Miffy that can hold a smartphone. I'm excited to see how it turns out. I'll start by sketching a rough guideline. The cat I made in DIY project number 15 didn't turn out very cute. So, I hope it'll be a cute one. Then I'll cut the part where the phone goes, between the ears. Cocoon Miffy is waiting to be born. She's sitting now, just like Miffy. Miffy's tiny hands. The wood grain runs sideways, so I have to carve carefully to avoid crack. I'm using zelkova wood, it's quite hard and strong. The ears can break if dropped, so I'll keep them as one piece. I always try to plan slowly but move steadily. Using my not-so-great brain to think a little ahead, not overthinking, not fearing mistakes. Let's make it flat. I move from rough to fine sandpaper, step by step. Hold Miffy tight, don't drop her. Who feels happier, the one making the gift or the one receiving it? I think about that while carving, and time just flies. Beeswax time. Rub rub. Here she is, cute Miffy. I'll let the person who gets this gift decide how to make the face, whether to draw, carve, or attach the eyes and mouth. Especially the eyes, their size and angle change her whole expression. It'll be fun to make that part together. And now, our healing little Miffy is complete. Make it, love it, gift it. Sounds familiar?